I've spent years studying, learning, and developing strategies to cope and work under pressure. I want to talk you through 3 steps that we're going to take to get us through 2026, which is going to be a year like no other. The year's already got off to a very dramatic start. It's going to be a year of uncertainty. However, we'll need to thrive and succeed in uncertainty, being able to cope with the challenges that come. Number 1, planning. If we don't have clearly defined goals, we're not going to go anywhere. Write down your goals, write down what you want to achieve and why at the end of the year. The what is critical. What do you want to have by the end of the year? Is it better relationships? Is it more money? Is it a car? Is it a house? Is it a business? Make your mind up, write it down. Then really get to the nitty-gritty of why you want that goal. It might seem obvious, of course, more money makes us more comfortable. However, be definitive. You'll realize that goal needs to be grounded in something that can motivate you, and I'll talk more about that. Number 2, make a plan. How much time can you commit to this goal over the coming months? Write down when you have spare time and make a promise to yourself that you will commit those moments in your spare time to achieving the steps towards your goal. Be realistic. If you're in a full-time job, you won't be able to commit a 9 to 5 to your side project, but you may be able to commit an hour in the evenings with some time in the weekends. Put that in a planner and be disciplined. Number 3, motivation. It is so easy to get distracted today. Social media takes every ounce of concentration we have, dilutes it, and keeps us hooked to a scroll. Be disciplined with yourself. If you found yourself scrolling through more than 5 posts, stop. Could that time be better spent forwarding your own goals? Look back. Did you ever remember anything about those 5 posts? Did you ever learn anything? Exactly. Stop. Go and spend time towards making your dreams happen. Number 4, bonus point. The year is going to be full of uncertainty. How do you deal with uncertainty? You plan as much as you can, however, by preparing for situations that you did not expect. For example, financial difficulty through saving. For example, by having a backup exit plan, having a place to go, having strategies to maintain social circles and friends and family. Don't rely on just one option. Maximize options. Be prepared to change tact, change goals for whatever circumstance arises. Be flexible, but stick to the goal, which is your success. And I said I'll come back to motivation. When times are hard, you'll need to think about what drove you to pursue a goal. It won't be the obvious reason. It won't be, yes, I'll be more comfortable if I have more money. It might be something far more detail and emotion tied. You may think back and think, I want to be financially independent because my childhood was difficult living in a household that was very financially constrained. Think about that. Think about how much you want for what. Use the why to keep you motivated.